Being blonde is high maintenance. For me, ito yung pinaka-importante kasi ito yung laging talagang nakikita sa selfie. So hi guys, it's me Galvez. Today, this vlog is very special because if you think that you've decided that you want to go platinum blonde or maybe pastel pink, purple, green, blue, lahat na yan, or anything that's lighter than black or dark brown, no need to fret because everything that you need to know if you want to do DIY your own hair bleaching, watch this video. But there are some things that you need to know first. Number one, you have to mentally prepare yourself that being blonde is high maintenance. Yup, bleaching your hair doesn't come easy and taking care of it is not easy also. So, for syempre, aftercare maintenance is very important. Okay, so as you guys can see, sobrang taas na ng roots ko. I think it's an inch na. So, I have to do some major retouching and color update. Yung color din ng ends ko is medyo yellowish na siya. But I don't need to bleach this part. I'm only bleaching my roots and then color my entire hair with a permanent hair toner. So this is the one that I'm using right now. This one is the L'Oreal Quick Blue Extra Strength. Perfect siya for scalp application. So this one is the one I used also during the first process of my bleaching. So when I bought this one online, in which I'm including the link on my description, so just click on it, and then it comes with the developer already. So after my bleaching, we will color my hair with well as permanent liquid hair toner. So yung color niya is lightest ash blonde. We will be needing a cape, disposable gloves, so I like using plastic para madaling itapon, and then some clamps, plastic comb, and applicators, and then of course a coloring bowl. Let's do it! So I'm doing only half of this sachet. There you go. Half also of the developer. And then mix. Ready. Color. So, ready na rin yung bleach natin. Oxidized na siya. So, it's perfect for hair application. So, we're gonna start here at the back because usually, crown area and the ones near the hairline, fastest yan usually na nagpi-pre-lighten. Of course, syempre kaya ko naman gawin yung crown area tsaka yung hairline ko, but for the back area and some here at the nape area, medyo I'll be needing extra help. Of course, bangs will help me. My back area and my nape area. You can section first the back. Say hi. Say hi. Tip number 2, expect to be seated for hours. So usually ang bleaching hours would be an hour to an hour and a half depending on the bleach that you will be using. But for this bleach, it's only maximum 1 hour. So if you think na kailangan pang i-bleach siya one more time or for the third time, you have to do it again and cut it until that hour. So talagang uupo ka for at least good 2 hours or 3 hours. Hairline and my crown. For me, ito yung pinaka-importante kasi ito yung laging talagang nakikita sa selfies, sa photos, sa vlogs. So, this one should be perfect. So, I'm just checking kung lahat ng roots talaga nadaanan. So, just a tip guys, you cannot massage your roots. So, very delikado yun guys. So, you just have to apply it with your applicator and then that's it. If you can try not to comb it that much, better. Para din hindi mag-brittle yung hair nito. it's time to reveal it. So basically, we already finished the entire sachet because wala kaya ng half lang. So ito na siya. Almost empty na din yung cup natin. Just making sure that we apply everything bago tayo magbabad for an hour. So, we wait for an hour. While we wait, let's eat first. Yes! It has been an hour, so we're ready to rinse. Whoa, that looks really good. So, after an hour, luto na po yan. Luto na po tayo. Pwede na po tayo mag-rinse. Okay, so we're done rinsing. So as you can see, we're done with step 1. So nag-level 6 or 7 na siya. So we needed at level 10. As you guys can see naman, from the ends, ito yung level 10 and ito parang 6 or 7 siya. So we have to do one more bleaching. Okay, so we are on our second application of the bleach. We are ready to color my second bleach. So as you guys can see, kita nyo naman, this is level 7 and this is level 10 of bleach. So kailangan pantay sila. So usually, you will be able to achieve your level 10 on your second or third application. So depende yan sa hair nyo guys. So ako, I think I'll be good with my second application. So with the bleach that I've used, which is the L'Oreal Quick Glue, it was able to achieve level 7. So perfect talaga siya. But for the bleach that you will be using, depende yan sa hair or bleach na product. Turn around, all roots, bleaching. Pants is doing the back area just to make sure the front and the crown is almost done. Okay, so we are done. So we're gonna wait for 1 hour again and we'll see if we have achieved level 10. So another tip is making sure you have to know the history of your hair. So kung nagpa-perm ka ba, nagpa-rebond ka ba, may hair color ka na ba previously? Because of course, may effects yan after bleaching your hair. So syempre, may cause some damage at syempre, your hair texture won't be the same anymore. Also, if you are sensitive with smell, bleach can really smell really bad. So it depends on the product. So make sure if you're sensitive with scents, bawal kung maarte kapag bleach. Yay! So we have achieved our level 10. So pantay na po siya yung roots and yung ating end. So we're ready for our toner. That's my actual hair. Blow dry, syempre. Okay, so we're ready to apply the toner. T18 lightest ash blonde, but it has a purple or lilac undertone. Yay! So we're all set. This is the final one. We're gonna wait for 40 to 45 minutes until it's done. We'll be showing you the finished product in a bit. There you have it, guys. So yeah, so we are done. So achieve that. Then our hair color, will I change it soon? Lalaman natin yan. Guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and make sure that you click on the notification bell.